What's up, guys? Okay, so today by the way, it's Josh still. Alright, so we're Legacy. I told him I'd call him back, but yeah, this is a new server. This is me. Yeah, this is Legacy server, and I think I was gonna advertise it. Well, so I will show you around. So that is the spawn, as you can see. And then you just do that. Yeah. By the way, if you didn't know, this is a drug server. And then every time you can do rank up. So, yeah. Wait. Okay, well, he's gonna have to fix that. By the way, this is still in progress, but it's fun when you're playing it still. Like, you can still play it, but, you know, just some commands you have to fix. And by the way, you can get out. You just do warp wild. So, and by the way, he said that this was supposed to be This was supposed to look like a sewer pipe. Pretty does, but this is dope. All right, I don't know what this is gonna be, but all right. So that's the shop. The shop. Yeah, basically you sell drugs at the shop, or fake drugs, I think. I don't know, but yeah. There is that. Wait, what is that? I think that's jail. I don't know, but okay. So when you join, Legacy and me, we will welcome you, and I will see you on here. And by the way, I'll leave the IP below, and you can join the drug server. So, alright. Peace out, Josh.